Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate your own LucidView Enforcer reports. First thing you're going to do is log into your management portal, and then you're going to click on View All under Enforcer Account. Now, you will choose the enforcer you would like to generate a report for. You have two options when generating reports. You can either log into that specific enforcer, or you can have a quick access by clicking on Generate under Generate Reports. And now you're going to select the type of report you would like to use. We have several preset reports available to you. So yeah, we've got the general reports, a specific user report where you'll find IP address to this report, or a detailed category report. So I'm going to go with detailed category reports. I'm going to click on generate, and now we can add additional information to the report. For example, you can select this report type. One is in bandwidth, which is gigs and megs, and then of course the connection report. I'm going to stay with bandwidth report. And now you can select the category you would like to investigate. So I'm going to go down and click on social media. And then I'm going to choose the time frame. You have a few options. You have a specific date, or you can select the previous week, the previous month, or a specific date. So I'm just going to say recently active. And then I'm just going to say recent activity and then click on generate. And here you go. You're going to click again on view specific category report, and you have the option of actually copying the URL and sending it to a client. And there is your report. You can see that the specific filter is social media for the specific category and the report. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.